Is VeChain token the upcoming competitor of BTC and ETH? Hello guys, welcome back to the Crypto Diary, a channel that will completely make crypto comprehensible and easy to trade. And guys, today we're going to talk about VeChain, VET token, and I'm sure that after watching this video, you will learn the roots and top of VeChain and also got to know the facts and updates about it. And if you don't have any idea about them, then stick to the very end of the video. So, first things first, what is VeChain? VeChain is an interesting turning point in the use of blockchain technology. It was launched in 2015 by Sunny Liu, the former Chief Information Officer, CIO of Louis Vuitton China. It started as a subsidiary of BitSay, one of China's largest blockchain companies, and is among the few blockchains that already have a substantial customer base among established companies. VeChain's blockchain hosts two tokens, VET and VTHO, to make transaction fees more stable. VET is the oldest coin on the blockchain. Its main use is in the storage and transfer of value over the network. Initially, the VEN token functioned on the Ethereum blockchain. VeChain transitioned onto its own blockchain and rebranded itself in 2018. As part of the rebrand, the VEN blockchain became the VeChain Thor VET blockchain and focuses on commercial applications, mainly providing tracking, quality control, inventory management, etc. in the logistics field through supply chain management. The VeChain mainnet was launched in 2018. Since then, the project has progressed strongly, attracting many partners to join the VeChain ecosystem. Hardly a month passed without the project announcing a new partnership or business that's adopting the VeChain technology. It has become a part of the PricewaterhouseCoopers incubation program. Working on a proof of concept with BMW and Renault, VeChain has established many partnerships over the years, including PwC, DNVGL, Fanghuang, Haier, Walmart China, H&M, and has recently partnered with Australian winemaker Penfolds to provide proof of authenticity for their wines being delivered to China. VeChain states that its goal is to build a trust-free and distributed business ecosystem platform to enable transparent information flow, efficient collaboration, and high-speed value transfers. But the supply data for business processes are currently compartmentalized in silos among multiple stakeholders. This affects information flow, which is again divided among stakeholders. So after all these things, you might be thinking about how it runs and what consensus VeChain follows. Right? Now, as a difference from most first and second generation cryptos, VeChain runs on a POA. VeChain runs on a proof of authority where the largest participants act as network validators. That means a smaller number of computers do the work to validate and operate the VeChain network. For individuals, it means you are unlikely to have an opportunity to mine VeChain. Those with a strong reputation may be elected as validators by other network participants. This is similar to proof-of-stake coins, where those with the largest stake in the network choose validators. However, both use far less energy than competitive proof-of-work coins. The POA system also has the characteristics of efficient use of bandwidth, which brings higher performance to the network. This equates to more transactions per second and increases the scalability of the network. Although POA has obvious advantages and VeChain Thor blockchain continues to operate efficiently and securely, this consensus method still has limitations. One of these restrictions is that a node cannot be prevented from tampering with the entire system when it has the right to add new blocks. However, to prevent this from happening, the blockchain can track any misbehavior in various ways and use it as evidence against nodes in the future. Additionally, as part of the Satoshi Nakamoto family of consensus methods, POA only provides us with a transaction security probability guarantee. To remedy these little drawbacks, the VeChain Foundation is studying the next generation of authoritative tests, which they call POA 2.0. This new version of POA will provide the network with the stability and security necessary to support more and more business use cases in the chain. According to the VeChain White Paper 2.0, the new POA 2.0 will provide, number 1, absolute certainty or security guarantee of blocks and transactions. Number 2, will significantly reduce the risk of temporary disruption of the platform, which will make blockchain services more stable. Number 3, faster convergence probabilistic purpose, resulting in faster transaction confirmations for the application. And that's quite reassuring that they're accepting and working on their loopholes. Now, let's take a look at the prices of VeChain. VeChain has a current supply of 86 billion with 64 billion in circulation. The last known price of VeChain is at 0.115 USD and is up 3.71% over the last 24 hours, which places it at number 23rd rank in crypto market. It is currently trading on 146 active markets with $5 billion traded over the last 24 hours. Over the past few months, VeChain tokens prices were crazy. On November 1, 2020, it was nearly at 0.01 cents. On December 1, 2020, it was nearly 0.02 cents. And on March 1, 2021, it climbed up to 0.04 cents. On April 1, 2021, it changed to 0.091 cents. And on 1 July 2021, it became 0.092 cents. And lastly, on September 1, it became 0.12 cents. So yeah, this shows that people are actually taking interest in this future asset. Now, let's discuss opportunities of VeChain. While VeChain is targeting several different markets, its core focus remains on the supply chain and logistics industries. It has also been developing its smart contract functionality and has its eyes on delivering Internet of Things solutions. The focus on the supply chain industry makes sense as this is a massive multi-billion-dollar industry that can benefit immensely from the addition of blockchain technology. VeChain has already established some association with luxury brands developing a blockchain tracking system to maintain the credibility of the product, either a luxury bag, the premium wine, or the history of automotive services. A key to these tracking systems is a VeChain NFC chip. This little chip can be embedded in any product, and consumers can scan products on their smartphones and verify credibility. Counterfeiting of luxury goods is a huge problem globally, with some estimates claiming global counterfeiting affects some $1.2 trillion in goods annually. And with crypto, it seems easy to deal with, and the stats of VeChain is proving it. So after all these facts, you guys must be thinking that, what exactly does the future hold for VeChain? Here is what experts have to say about it. Roger Ver, who is also referred to as Bitcoin Jesus and one of the most influential voices in the crypto sector, VeChain has a bright future. He argues that the platform's primary mission is to solve real-world problems and has applications serving many industries. Ver stated that as much as he is interested in the blockchain that enables a permissionless peer-to-peer digital cash system, VeChain has some exciting ways of using them to stop counterfeit goods and make P2P permissionless markets more trustworthy. Tim Draper, a Silicon Valley legend, a renowned investor in many companies, as well as a big believer in digital currencies, joined the VeChain team early last year. This move was lauded by the VeChain Foundation, who stated that Draper and the platform has a similar vision as regards to the future of cryptocurrencies and blockchain solutions. And coming to my thoughts, VeChain is undoubtedly growing so much, and the stats and history of the coin shows that it has a really bright future in the upcoming years. And when the bear phase begins to fade and support is proven too solid to break lower, the market will naturally move upward again into a new bull cycle. At that point, there will be a price, and it's too challenging to predict. However, a few dollars per VeChain coin isn't unrealistic based on these stats. And I think a normal human can both learn and earn so much from it in the future. So what do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching the video. If you like our efforts, then please leave a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more educational videos.